Hello and welcome to another beautiful, exciting edition on No Sarah channel. My name is Sarah Ethel and I'm coming to you. Today, come with me, let's clean a bath. It's a new one-bedroom apartment that has a bath. So when you see this video, is actually when we were moving in, the plumber came in to do some touches that needs to be done on the at the bath area. So after that, then I went in to clean. So this is actually the beginning before we moved in. So that is how, but all being said, this is a cleaning video. So come with me. Before I started, this was the state of the area. So the sink was in a great mess. The toilets, I don't know what happened in there. There was this reddish thing on it, but all being said, all those things got solved by this. This is so powerful. So yeah, come with me. Let's start. To start the cleaning, I started to pick up all the foreign materials, the toolbox and the rubbers that need not to be at the area. Then I swept the area to make sure that all the particles that was left behind by the plumber isn't there anymore. I swept the area, reaching out to the corners, to every part of the place to make sure that all the rubbish, everything was gone out of the way so that the cleaning can start. So that was the plan and I succeeded at that. Sweep all the corners and everything was set. Now I move to the sink. Cleaning it, I use tissue to clean up the dirt. It was a piled up dirt, a years of dirt. So I need not to get my sponge real dirty. I have to use tissue to remove some of the dirt from the sink. Then I used my soap and soapy water and sponge to do the cleaning. So I started doing that one too. One thing I really loved about the sink was that it wasn't a hard nut to crack, because I thought with all that dirt it would be hard for me to remove them. So I was trying so hard, but gracefully I did it once and all the dirt was gone. It was like a brand new and I was really happy about that. So I washed it, then I rinsed all the soap from it and I was done with the sink. So the sink was perfectly done, perfectly wiped out. Okay, it seems that we have done a good job here. So we clean and wipe. Everything was so neat. Going on to the toilet area, I used water to rinse the reddish stain that was on the toilet and inside the toilet. Then I use a detergent that we use here in Ghana called a parasol or parasol. Anyhow, so I use that parasol to first coat. That parasol is very powerful for stain removing, so it helps somehow on the stain inside the toilet. So as I use the brush to scrub the area, you can see that the dirt that was there is going, the stain was removing bit by bit. So I go on, then I use a sponge to wipe the seat of the toilet so that that one too will be clean as me. Okay, the toilet was giving me a hard time. It was a hard nut to crack, but I conquered it. I wiped it, I cleaned it, I wiped it, I cleaned it, and finally the stains was gone like 90%. So I'm with you. I'm here with you. I am here to stay. So with time, I know that with time, the more I clean, all the dirt will go away. So after I finished, I use water as usual to rinse it all clean. Then I move on to the bath, the main event. After I've added the sponge, the soap into the water. So fetching some water, then I do some little ablution before I go to the wall. Yeah, so let's go to the wall. So I go to the wall, I clean the wall. This one is really crucial. People don't know that the towels on the bath area is needs cleaning, thorough cleaning. If you are in a bath and you think that I'm cleaning all the bath floor, I'm cleaning all the sink, you are making a big mistake, because the walls, when you are bathing, the water splashes all over. So you need, when anytime you are cleaning your bath, you need to make sure that you have cleaned all the walls, the surrounding walls, the surrounding tiles. So that was what I was doing now. I used the sponge plus soap to clean all the tiles, wiped it clean. After that, I rinse it. I do it for all the walls around the bath area. When it comes to the bath, I spend a lot of time there, because there are a lot of places that you need to thoroughly clean. I'm not in the bath yet. I'm still around the bath, wiping the walls, cleaning the tap, and that place that I'm really cleaning, it has a lot of rusting, so you need to spend time there to wipe it clean, to avoid more rusting and minimize rusting over there. Okay, now let's go inside the bath. So inside the bath, I use a different sponge. This sponge has a little metal on it that helps with the stain, because the stain in here are really stubborn stain. So you need to get a stubborn metal to face it. So I use the metal, the sponge slash, what do we call this? You see those things that you use to clean dishes when there's stains in it. Yeah, this one is for toilet only, please. So I use this one is really hard on the stain. It can remove the stains really well. And remember, before that, I've used parazone in all, so the stain is softened. So when I used it's easy to use this special sponge to clean it. So as I'm using it to clean inside the sink of the bath. So I clean it severally to make sure that all the dirt, all the stains, everything is gone. So as you see me, so I dey clean, wash till I see that everything is gone, is 100%, until I move to the next one. So now I'm done inside the sink. I'm coming outside the sink. Okay. So with this one too, I used my sponge to clean all the tiles around it. Okay. Now it seems that my work here is almost done. So I go on to the floor, the main floor. With the floor, I use a standing brush to scrub the main floor and to remove all the dirt that was on the floor. So that is what I did for the floor. With the soapy water that has splashed on the floor, I use it to scrub the floor really well. And after scrubbing it, I collected the water from on top of the floor. So the last thing I did was to mop the floor. So I took a clean water plus mop, then I mopped all the soapy water from the floor. So you can see me doing that. I mop the floor as clean as I can. So here comes to the end of the video. And I'm so happy about my result. Everything was clean. The floor was sparkling. And the sink was like as if it was brand new. The toilet, the bath itself, I was so happy because I at first when I saw it, I was nearly discouraged, but I'm so happy to live here. And what is left is a little touches, some bathroom accessories. Then we are set to go. Okay, let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. What do you think about my cleaning skills, my way of cleaning? Do you like it? If you're asked to give me out of 10, how much will I get from you? Or how much do I deserve? Let me know all that in the comment section. And if you're interested to see the whole one bedroom apartment, you let me know in the comment section. You just put it in the comment section. If I get 5 people who are interested in the room tour, I will definitely do the room tour of our one bedroom apartment. This is the end of the video. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment. Give me your feedback, your comments. How did you see my cleaning skills? Will you invite me to wash your bath for you? Let me know all those things in the comment section. And please make sure to subscribe. I'm just a baby. Just subscribe to my channel so that I can grow here on YouTube. So thank you for sitting in this video. And I appreciate you so much. Have a blissful day. Bye.